If we go into the Neoway story, Neoway, as you know, has been in the market for many years and is I would say, a complete um, leader in this space right now, as well as a pioneer when it comes to supporting this market. Most of the deals was obviously started since Neoway is a Chinese company out of Asia. And it's only within the last 5 or 6 years that Neoway has really boosted their presence in the US, in LATAM, and in Europe, EMEA, where they are winning deals and we are winning deals in various vertical markets. The biggest market for us is the electricity market. This is where we've been doing significant wins. We put some of the Chinese and Asian partners we have here, but as you can see back from 2009, the very first cellular module went into electricity meter, and then in 15 and to 18, we started deploying 4G modules into the meters. This was with the N710 module, and in 2021, we started with the 512 and 513, and now with 5G modules going in. So as you can see, we've been through the whole journey here, starting from the very first deployments of this. And this gives us obviously a lot of expertise, but it also shows that we have the ability to deliver an extremely stable solution that customer keeps coming back to us because they know they can rely on not just us delivering the products at the right time at the right price, but also delivering quality in terms of a very stable stack, a very stable product, and a very reliable production. So the whole thing about this obviously opens up this about made in China and getting into the global market. There has been a lot of things going on in the press and things like this. What we have done as a decision here is that we work with global partners. We make sure we work with global partners that are waterproofing our technology, our company, our services, and our competences. And in this way, we have more than 10 million modules applied in more than 40 countries. And as you can see here, we listed here Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Hungary, Sweden, Greece, and India. We rank #1 in terms of market share in Saudi Arabia. This is a market, for some of you may not know this, but it's a very challenging market to operate in because not only is it a different market in terms of entering access, as a technology provider, you need to have several approvals to be able to deliver there. But also, really, it's also a market that has extreme heat. It can have extreme dust, and their meters are actually located outside the houses. So in many places here, it also takes a lot of, I would say, expertise of designing something which has a very strong design that can actually confront these challenges. We have a strategic cooperations with the State Grid, as you can see here, where we participated in the planning of this. We've been doing this with both OEM expertise and designing solutions that works for our clients here. And again, to show our participation, this one here, it's about understanding what the customer needs and how we can help them. So in this case here, as you can see, it's an extension board that has been designed that actually goes into the meter. And that way you can use an existing meter because you have an existing interface available there. Now, when we go into these solutions, obviously we also look at water and gas. And when we go in there, we've been working with Shenzhen Gas, Shanghai Gas, and Shanxi. And in this case here, since 2019, we've been working with these players, supplying them with our technology to enable both new and existing meters to be communicating on cellular. Again, very challenging market. Again, you know, these meters are not necessarily located outside with a blue sky or things like this. So the demand of having really intelligent RF designs and intelligent, even on the edge, like in the module, to be able to do rules decision is extremely important.